How's it going, everyone? It's Reversal Trader King, where I catch bottoms and tops in the stock market. And today I want to talk about ticker BA. A lot of people has been asking me about this ticker and how, where the bottom is, where should we get a reversal in my analysis and all that. And it's actually, I love this company. This company has been, up a huge amount, and then it just like started crashing down, and you'll get that for sure. The market's just been up and running, and now this one has been definitely lagging. And I'm going to get into my analysis, and I'm going to go over my system. There's no bias. It's just strictly what does my system tell me, and where should we get in? Where's your price targets? Price predictions and all that. So, and before I get into that, do keep in mind there is a premium Discord that I give my exact entries on the best trades on finding reversals in the market, and it's only $6 a month, and that will be posted into the YouTube comments below. But before you get into that, you want to see how this system works. Is it for you? If you're watching this video, you're already looking at, okay, I like BA, and I want to know where this bottom is, because this thing has just been crashing down from a high of 267, and now we're down to 182. And then also we are going down a little pre-market, but that's just, or I mean not pre-market, after hours. So obviously I'm not a buyer yet, and I'm going to tell you exactly why. So with this system, I customize the settings. The bottom band is a buy zone. Doesn't mean you get in right away. It's just saying it's on the watch list, and I'm going to tell you exactly why. The top band is a sell zone, and then the middle band is your most important. This is what makes the strategy an over 95% win ratio, and that is because price has to go back to the middle band. You look at any stock market, crypto, forex, futures, there's always price going back to this middle band when price goes below and then goes back. Now, the million-dollar question is, when does it go back? Because, we want to know an actual, time frame, right? Well, I did all the homework, and obviously you're not going to know exactly when it's going to go back to this middle band, but there's a lot of things you want to correlate it to with. One, you want to look for big time distance. So like right here was 105, it touched this. The next touch was right here clearly at 207. So anything around a month and 2 months time frame of not touching the middle band is massive. That is a long period of time. So I look for longer the better. 2 months is very rare. You're not going to get anything above that. But around the 1 month time frame, price will start to go back. So we see this around 1 month. You have this gap, but you want to make sure the candle that you start to enter is under this band at least, with a low KDJ, which is this line right here. So, and everyone that's joined my premium Discord, you're just getting a reiteration of the knowledge, and this is good. And then everyone that's new, you know what a low K is. Lower than 5 is pretty low on a big cap stock. Plus, it's under my band. And the beauty thing about it is you ignore all these candles right here, so it made these massive move downs, and you're not in any of these candles. So you're getting in when the sellers are exhausting. The sellers are exhausting at right here below this bottom band, and you get in, and then you're waiting for that move up, and you know it's going to hit the middle band because it's been over about a month, and guess what? We start working our way up. What I usually do is when I start seeing this, I'll put a stop loss around here, and then it might trigger it, and then I might get back in again and get that touch of that middle band and ride that wave a couple times. So we get the touch to a T right here, and then guess what? Price can do whatever it wants. The market makers, the algorithms did what they had to do. They filled this gap up, and then bam. And then same thing with this. You have a touch right here. This is one of the longest ones right in here. I was actually looking at this one to a T here, 1101, and then we have a touch at 102. 1201? Or is it 120101? Yeah, that was about a 2 month time frame. That is crazy, right? But that is honestly the longest you'll see. Now, I don't like shorting the market at all, but as you can see here, when you short the market, I always look for a weekly candle when you short the market. And then if you see a weekly candle hit the green band, you know this is an absolute buy zone. And this was right here, the COVID crash right here. You saw the right in here. But you know, the weekly candle, what's beautiful, it does the same thing as the daily. It has to hit this middle band, but it takes longer time frame, obviously. So right in here, this was a great shorting opportunity if you look at the weekly candle, and then it gets near it and it shorts the crap out of it, right? But we are looking for buys. Buys. I love being a bull in this market, and I want to know exactly when to. And it works best being a bull because there's a lot of squeeze happening when shorts are selling back their shares and all of that, right? Because they have to borrow it. So right here, we do not have a big gap. Our price hitting this middle band is 308. The current date is 315. That's not a big gap for me. That's like 1 to 1.5 weeks, something like that. It's not big enough. I want to see something, really start curving in that has a lot more potential, right? Just like this one right here, guys. Perfect buying opportunity. You have a massive gap. We hit the band at 831, and then we correct to it at 1011. 831 to 931 is 1 month. 931 to 1011 is about a 1 month and 2 weeks. And guess what? We start accumulating our shares. We ignore all these red candles. A lot of people will be accumulating all these things. They see Boeing down 2%. It just keeps going down, 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 down. We don't pick this up till right around here. Right around here, we would pick it up and start accumulating shares because one, you get a low K. You get the low K and you just accumulate all these shares because one, you know that price is going to hit the middle band. It's been over a month, and guess what? You get this massive bull power right in here correcting that middle band. And guess what? Algorithms can do whatever they want. And guess what? They take it down a little more and then they fill it up. And obviously I wouldn't have been in this trade. And it just keeps going up and up and up. Massive bull move, right? That's the strategy. It works to a T. Here is another one. Last example. Big gap right here. Gets close and then fills it, right? Gap right here. Hits it to a T. Fills it. It will do it. I promise you guys. And like I said, I have recordings. That's why I do over a 1 month for time distance for gaps. Make sure the price is close to the bottom band and a low KDJ. It's very simple. Anybody with some eyeballs and a little understanding can do this strategy to a T. And like I said, for BA, I'm not going to get into this trade till I at least see probably till April. I'll go back to this. I'll write in my notepad and say April. Go back to BA and see if the price is under or near the bottom band, and we'll look for a move back up to the blue band. Can make massive money on calls. I prefer shares because I don't like being on a time frame, and I like to hold things right. So there we go. If you guys want to have me hold your guys' hand and show you guys this strategy, and you want to be a part of a group of reversal trading where you have lots of opinions and minds to help you out, and that is what, trading is a lot easier and better with a group, right? Being by yourself and panicking, you have a lot of people who are strong-willed and understand this system. It's like, we're in this system. We know we have accumulation rules, and where price can go to, and there's no reason to panic. This strategy has over 95% win ratio. I've been doing it for over 6 years and makes consistent money. It is a good strategy, guys, especially for bigger cap stocks. You're going to see them exact trade alerts. You're going to see exactly. I'll give you a freebie one since it's already running right here. IRBT, I got it at 964. I have accumulation rolls and got some at 925. IRBT at this moment, it is going up big time. It went up quite a bit from where we got it right in here yesterday, and we're skyrocketing. It's up 7%, I believe, on the day. Yeah, 7%. We got it at, I have an average of 9.35, and now it's at 10s. Because, look, there's a huge gap that I'm waiting to fill, and guess what? Price is going to fill it, and that's just an example, right? We have a setup video right here, the best trend reversal, how to trade options, and then how to get all your indicators to look like mine. It is a great strategy, guys. And honestly, the reason why I'm not charging so much because I know people are hurting, and this is a good jump start for your trading. Doesn't matter how much your account is. You can have $100 to $1 million. It does not matter because this right here works, and I hate to see people pay so much money in fees when you have a small account, and it's just hard to grow that way. So I'm confident in this, and we have over 1,000 members, and then in the premium, we are close to a lot, we're getting there. So $6 is very reasonable. When you click on, when you want to join, go down to the YouTube comments and into the YouTube description. It'll say join the premium Discord for the best trades. Click on that link into the YouTube comments. It'll click you right into here to the free chat. This is not the premium subscriptions. You have to subscribe, and what you do is you go to the subscriptions area. It will be under here, all the subscriptions. Click on any of the channels, hit premium chat, and it will say, would you like to subscribe, to opt you in, and you just, put your info in. Only $6, and it's a slightly cheaper with computer because you avoid iOS fee. Yes, and that's about it. If you guys enjoy these kind of analysis and want me to keep doing these kind of videos, do like and subscribe, as that helps a lot. And then comment to me what your average is on BA and what your opinions on it. Obviously, I'm looking for a nice little gap up here to this middle band, and I see it. I'm going to be a bull here in April, but so just do keep that in mind. Obviously, I do see price going back in a little lower. So if you want to know when I get in, get your butt into the premium Discord. You won't regret it. And I will give you my entry when I get in. And take care, guys.